Okay, Arizona lawyer Julie LeBenz here, back with Alan May, talking about his one-of-a-kind, really, custody case here in Arizona. And Alan, knowing that you had an attorney on your side, what was that like for you, instead of having to face false accusations and a contested case all up by yourself?
Well, it was comforting, and there was times it was essential. There was times when CPS was pushy, and Julie was there, and she stood up for my rights that a lot of people don't realize they have, and it's okay to say no to a lot of people and what they want, and Julie helped me see that.
Now, what sort of, we were together for several years, Alan, fighting this battle, because your ex was a fighter. I mean, she did not give up. Like I said, she pushed this case all the way up to the United States Supreme Court. That's a level that most parents would never dream of taking their case. I mean, that means going from the Superior Court to the Court of Appeals to the Arizona Supreme Court, and then to the United States Supreme Court. I mean, this was an epic legal challenge that you faced. And with it came epic attorney's fees. Epic. I mean, tell me what you've had to face financially to do what you needed to do for your daughter.
I don't even know how to answer that question. An exuberant amount that most people couldn't or wouldn't afford. The way my ex-wife went about it, her tactic was to keep me in the courtroom and until I was financially devastated. All the while she did everything without an attorney. But having an attorney was probably the most comforting feeling through the whole thing, because I didn't have to ever lose my cool or fight. Julie fought for me, and she never lost her cool. And we stayed cool.
We did, yeah. And we were able to prevail. And as a result, you have your daughter. And if we hadn't won that fight, Alan, I fear that you may have never seen your daughter again. I mean, that your wife did not want you to have any contact with your daughter. And without the success that we had, I don't know if you would have been able to be a dad like you've been able to.
I wouldn't have been, and who knows where my daughter would be. I can only imagine.
And Alan, I was so motivated by your case, and it has influenced me to create a new way of offering legal services to parents throughout Arizona. So can we touch on that in the next video?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do that.